You ready for a nap? Are you sure?
Yeah.
He's doing a little bit of weeding around these little trees. And Heath was helping for a minute, but then he got tired. He had to take a break. We are outside enjoying the sunshine. The kids are doing poppets. Well, the two littles. Hank's inside finishing the Incredibles movie. Jordan is doing trim. I'm gonna try and read a little bit of my magazine while these kids are entertaining themselves.
Anna 1, Anna 2, move out of the way.
Woo!
The fireworks show.
Can you hold this for me so I can cut as much off as I can? Thanks.
Then you catch it.
Oh,
It was like this cool color.
what color was
It
it?
was orange. It was orange and black.
That sounds beautiful. Right, Heath. I just found owl pellets. We're gonna open it up, and it's gonna be some type of little animal's bones.
Wait, let me see it. Let me see it.
You guys can both see it.
Okay, I'm gonna use it next. What the? Oh my gosh. Hank, I get to open
Hank, you do that one. So put the bare bones like right here.
Like these.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Whoa. Look at this. We're gonna want to watch our hands after this.
Well, yeah,
Oh,
for sure.
Set them on this.
Oh,
Sure. That's part of the skull, isn't it?
it's a skull. Those ones are yours. This ones are
Get
mine.
some doors out.
Oh!
So cool. We are so lucky to have that right by our house.
Are you waving at it? Oh, your hat? I know. It's going to its nest.
Okay, I'm gonna cut. It's gonna be loud.
Okay.
Too loud though. Heath, you ready?
Are you ready?
I'm gonna cut.
Yeah. Was a little
strong.
past.
Little what?
Little past the mark.
Wasn't past the mark. It was a little shy of the mark.
Oh. Pretty good. all here. Well,
Not all of them.
not all of them, but me, Junie,
And my
and
kitty.
Hee Poo. Oh, let's see your kitty.
This is its hat. It just fell off.
So it has socks for a hat and socks for a sleeping bag. That's so cute.
It's a newborn baby. Do you know how they put newborn babies in that little swaddle thing?
Oh, very smart. Oh, your kitten's swaddled. That's so sweet. What's your cat's name?
Marbles.
Marbles. Oh, so sweet. So yeah, we're gonna go drive this baby around per usual, try and get him to nap because he will not nap anywhere other than home or in the car. Oh, and
She's not joking.
I'm not
He doesn't
joking.
nap in the car either.
Hi, buddy. Oh, here comes Hank. So we're gonna do that and get some drinks for Dad because he is thirsty and so am I. For something, you know,
Oh, guess
fun,
what?
refreshing.
Looks really good.
Oh, good.
Guess what else we got? Hey, do you know those chocolate things? We got those, but not the chocolate kind. We actually got those things that Nan used to buy us.
Twinkies, the pink Twinkies. They're called Zingers.
What? So you guys got zingers
We got
and these?
corn dogs too.
2 packs of zingers.
Juno's like, there's only 3 in a pack. We need another pack.
I got some visitors. Hey, can I get a hug? I want a hug. Oh, thanks, buddy.
We're gonna attempt. Ooh, Snoop. We're gonna attempt to hang some doors. Off to a rocky
Well,
start.
for now, we're gonna attempt to move some doors.
It's okay, babe. We just keep on picking until something works out. We're hanging out in Jun's room. Watching Dad put doors up. Watching ceiling light. Ooh.
And this is my closet on the house. Try to find me.
Try and find you. Oh no, we can't find her. Oh, we found her. Mosquito, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Kill it. Get it, June. Get it, come on, girl. Ah! Oh. Meanwhile,
Got it.
nice, June.
You did?
Oh, that thing is dead.
Please.